Hello, my name is Amy, and today we will be multiplying with fractions. I have a numerical expression of 5 times 1/3. In order to help us solve this, we will use a word problem. Sam sliced lemons into 1/3 size pieces. He put 5 of the pieces into his lemonade. How many lemons did Sam use to make his lemonade? We will use these manipulatives, and we will add 5 1/3 sized pieces. This shows us that 3 of the 1/3 pieces equals 1 whole. Sam used 1 whole lemon and 2/3 of another lemon. The answer to our word problem, Sam used 1 2/3 lemons. Another way to look at this problem is to use a number sentence. We can show that 5 can be turned into a fraction by putting it over 1 to help us better solve this problem. 5 over 1 is still 5. 5 over 1 times 1/3 equals 5/3, which is an improper fraction. If we turn this into a proper fraction, it is 1 2/3, which is the same answer we received up here. Sam used 1 2/3 lemons. We can also use this with an illustration. 5 1/3 slices of lemon shows us once again there's 1 whole lemon and 2/3 of a lemon. We can look at the number sentence once again. That shows 5 over 1 multiplied by 1/3 equals 5/3. Turned into a proper fraction would equal 1 2/3. Let's try another numerical expression, 1/2 times 5. We will use this word problem to help us solve this numerical expression. Timmy has 5 marshmallows. He would like to give half of his marshmallows to Gracie. How many marshmallows did Timmy give to Gracie? We will use manipulatives once again to show a visual for this story problem. Here are 5 circles that represent the 5 marshmallows. If we have 5 marshmallows that Timmy gave half of to Gracie, we can use a tool here to draw a line right down the middle. Showing half of the marshmallows. On this side, Timmy receives 2.5 marshmallows, and Gracie receives 2.5 marshmallows. So we know that we can look at the answer for our story problem that gives us 2.5 marshmallows. We can also look at our number line once again. That shows us 1/2 times 5 over 1, or 5, equals 5 over 2, which is an improper fraction, If we change that to a proper fraction, it's 2.5, which is also the answer that we received from our manipulatives with 2.5 marshmallows. We can use the same numerical expression, 1/2 multiplied by 5, and we can use an illustration. If we do this, we can split the marshmallows and give Gracie her share and Timmy his share. They each have 2 marshmallows in their cup right now. There's 1 left over, so we will need to use our tool once again to split this one in half to signify that Timmy will receive 2.5 marshmallows and Gracie will also receive 2.5 marshmallows. And once again, we will look at our number sentence. 1/2 times 5 over 1 equals 5 over 2, which is also equal to 2.5. The last numerical expression we will try is 1/2 times 2/3. We will use this story problem to help us with multiplying these fractions. Joe gave his dog Oakley 2/3 of a cup of food. Oakley ate half of the food he was given. How much food did Oakley eat? We can use this shape here as Oakley's dish, marked also as 1 whole. And we will give him 2/3 of a cup of dog food. We know this is 2/3 because 3 of these shapes would fill 1 whole. So 2/3 would be 2 of these shapes. Since Oakley is given 2/3 of a cup of food, and he only eats half of the food he was given, we know that we can subtract or take away half of the 2/3, which leaves us with 1/3. We can check this with our answer of Oakley at 1/3 of a cup of dog food. You can also look at the number sentence for this, which is 1/2 times 2/3 equals 1/3. We can use the same numerical expression with an illustration to make it more interesting with 1/2 times 2/3. We know that this is our whole. Oakley was given 2/3 of a cup of dog food. So here we have 2 1/3 sections, which equals 2/3. And when we multiply that by a half, or take half of that, since Oakley only ate half of his food, we are left with 1/3. We can once again look at the number sentence. 1/2 times 2/3 equals 1/3 of dog food that Oakley had left. I hope you have enjoyed these video clips. Thank you.